Hey guys, Trevor here to walk you through LumeCube's mobile clip, our all-in-one solution to mounting accessories like lights or microphones to your smartphone. You may recognize the clip as it is the accessory that sits on top of our mobile creator kit, on top of our 5-foot stand, and some other accessories. To get started, we'll go over some of the physical features on the product. And first things first, the phone clip itself. As you can see, it is spring-loaded, so you can throw your phone right in the center there. And then my favorite part is there's also this swivel head, so you can move your phone from portrait to landscape depending on what you're shooting very easily. Next, we will have our second swivel at the bottom of the V here. This allows you to angle your phone in the perfect direction for what you're shooting. So if you're doing more of a flat lay, you can lay your phone down flat, or if you're shooting something more vertical, you can dial it back. You have that full range of motion to get the exact shot that you're going for. Third, you will notice the 1/4-20 threads on the base plate. There are 3 1/4-20 threads, and this is where you can mount it to the top of your mobile creator kit, your 5-foot stand, or any other accessory you're using with your smartphone. Keep in mind, if any of these swivel points get a little loose after you've been using it for a while, use the included Allen key to tighten them back up and you'll be good to go. Little tip, little trick of the trade. As you can see on each side of the phone clip, there is a little cold shoe mount. This is where you can mount your mic or your lights or any other accessories that you're using. To mount accessories to your mobile clip, simply slide the cold shoe mount of your accessory onto the cold shoe port on the phone clip itself. You'll then want to tighten it to the phone clip by screwing the lower disc on your accessory clockwise until it feels secure. And the coolest part is about this kit is, yes, you can combine it with other pieces of gear like tripods, light stands, a mobile creator kit. You can also use it handheld. This thing is an ultra portable smartphone mounting and accessory solution. So give it a shot just with your hands. See what happens. You never know. I'm trying to say, like, you can just use this. So try it out. Thank you for watching. We hope this helped you get a better understanding of how to use the LumeCube mobile clip. If you have any questions we didn't cover, feel free to reach out to support@lumecube.com or post your question in the LumeCube community group on Facebook.